Subscribe here for more educational videos. Ring bell to be first viewer of new uploads. Click thumb icon if you like this video to encourage us. ITOYS presents. Friends, let's hear a famous fairy tale, named Alice in Wonderland. One summer day, Alice was getting bored sitting beside her sister, who was reading a book. Suddenly, a little white rabbit appeared before Alice. Alice was filled with curiosity, and followed it. She fell down a rabbit hole, which was like a tunnel. Finally, she landed in a hall that had many doors of different sizes. She saw a tiny gold key, and a bottle of potion on a three-legged table. She drank the potion, and became small. Then she took the key, and opened the small door. The doorway took her to the garden. She met the white rabbit there, who ordered her to get his gloves and fan from his cottage. Alice did the same and saw a piece of cake in the cottage. She ate it, and became bigger than the house. Alice picked the fan for the white rabbit, and started to shrink. She went looking for help, and saw a blue caterpillar.
I want to be big.
The caterpillar asked Alice to eat the mushroom, and soon she grew back to her size. Alice was happy, and walked down a path. For more information, visit our website. She reached the tea party organized by the Mad Hatter. The Mad Hatter asked her some riddles, and she answered correctly. After that, she moved further, and saw that the Queen of Hearts was playing croquet there. Just then a trumpet blew, calling everyone for the court session.
Alice, please come to this stand.
Alice stood in the stand.
You have stolen delicious heart-shaped tarts. You must be punished. I don't know what you are talking about.
Suddenly, she felt someone touching her shoulder. It was her sister.
Wake up, Alice. You've been sleeping for too long.
Alice woke up, and told her sister about her dream. Her sister listened with interest about Alice's visit to Wonderland. Just then, Alice saw a little white rabbit having pink eyes, scurried behind a tree, smiling.